Hey y'all, so I'm back with another video. I know it's been a while, but I've been tired, so yeah, that's that. But anyways, I did want to come back and show y'all a couple of contacts that I've had for a while. I just have not made a video, or I may have already made the video, but I just didn't edit it, and it's been so long that I feel like I just needed to redo the whole video altogether. So sorry for the echo, if there is one. But yeah, so I did buy a couple of contacts from Olens, and these contacts, well, the next couple of videos, these contacts will be from the Spanish collection. So I have, it should be probably about 5 videos, and they're all going to be those contacts. So instead of putting them in one video, I'm going to make 5 separate videos, just so it's not super long. So yeah, like always, I'm just going to go ahead on and remove my prescription lenses, which are clear. My natural eyes are a dark brown, is what you see right here. And yeah, I'm just take those contacts out. I might not be able to see, and I might be out of focus, but we'll get it together somehow. And I always do use my Biotrue. It's kind of hard to see it with the bottle being see-through, so. So the first color I'm going to be trying, or the color I will be trying today, is called, it's from the Spanish collection on Olens, and it is called Real Peach. This is how the box looks. I can't tell if it's focused because I'm pretty much blind right now. But yeah, this is the color Real Peach. It is, of course, a peach color. It's pink with little hints of tan or just brown hazelish highlights in it. All of Olens contacts, or at least in the Spanish collection, they have 3 different colors in that contact for the graphic design. And I'll also put the specs somewhere in this video on the screen. But either way, I do get a prescription in mine, and like always, Olens contacts, they go from a 0 power all the way up to a -8. And they put everything on a little foil packet. So this is the Real Peach in this eye, and this is my natural eye color. These are looking very baby dollish to me, so these would have been some great Halloween contacts to wear if you were like some type of doll. I don't know. That's why I don't do Halloween videos. But I'm just gonna go ahead on and pop this other one in, and then we'll do a better close-up. I had a lot of solution in that one. So these are both contacts in. I'm sorry if my eye looks a little wet. It's the solution from the contacts. But yeah, they are giving me like a salmon color. It is a very light peach. There is no lumbar ring on these lenses. However, it does give the effect that there is a lumbar ring, because it kind of leaves that outer perimeter of your natural eye. It leaves it there so it can do like a gradient effect. So yeah, I really do enjoy that about contact lenses when they're colored. And I am pretty much in natural lighting. I have a window over here, and all of my other lights are over there in a different direction. You probably can see it in my eyes, but I will give you like a kind of an outdoor look at how these lenses look in natural lighting. But these are how they are looking up close. Like I said, they are very doll-like, and the color is pretty subtle to me. Another good thing about Olens contacts, when it comes to their colors, you don't have that hazy you know, the little hazy focus where some color lenses you'll put on and you just, it looks like there's a haze over your eyes, or you're looking at the color on the contacts, you can't see. These I can see crystal clear. There's no color coming into focus. They're great. And these lenses, I never have issues with them drying out in the middle of the day. So yeah, like I said, these are the contacts from Olens. These are from the Spanish collection, and the color that I have in today is called Real Peach. And like always, I'll put all of the details in the description box below, so be sure to check that out, and I will try to put some links with it as well. But yeah, these are the lenses. Please let me know in the comment section what you think about these lenses, and if you have any questions. Also, I do want to let you know that the shipping with Olens is usually about 5 to 7 days, so about a week you should receive your lenses. Sometimes it's a little longer depending on what time of the year it is, but it usually takes me about a week or 2 to get my lenses, but mostly a week. So yeah, that is that. But anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I'll see you again in the next one. See ya.